a kick like Yabba Dabba do. Yabba Dabba do.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only per pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one, contents that you like, contents that you like to listen. Alright, so today we want to talk about Prince Swanny, Byron Messia and Kraff. And Kraff just released a new song, Giant, that is gaining traction right now and is a certified hit for me. Prince Swanny and Byron Messia think so too, because we see Prince Swanny and Byron Messia vibing to Kraff's song. Can we expect a collab from them? Maybe so, because we see Prince Swanny do song with Javelani, and Javelani and Kraff is one link. You see me, so stay tuned for the breakdown.
Stay in the dark, I can't toss me. Stay with a strap, I can't toss it. Blue face in my pocket when I use Billy. Find a hit song in about a few minutes. Yo, that ready me have sauce, dog, a whole bill.
Stay in the dark, you can't too see me. Basically, Kraff I say, yo, him not go common out himself. Him not go make himself be too common. And as a youth will dwell in the darkness, protect your energy, and not because you're off the grid, not because you're off the radar, mean you're safe, because them same man they can send a gal around you, can send a man around you for dirt you, and you have to stay strapped with it. You can't be too silly, because program run from anywhere, you see me, and you have to know and understand that. People say Kraff too hype because him always have a brick and him not carry no card, you see me, but impact.
I bet them say you're too hype, bet them say you're bossy because that is you. But me not too hype, my pass too hype, me there 5 hype.
Pass too hype, him there 5 hype.
That's how we step like giant. Science up. Touch it hard with the high and top. Who attack, boy, quiet up. Miss a fish. Giant.
I saw we step like giant, science up. Basically, Kraff I say, yo, in movements in the street is precise and calculated. I saw giant move. We no move like your regular average man in the street, because your regular average man now look over them head. Your regular average man no have his science up and walk with the Jericho, cause you can't miss a giant. And being that centerpiece of attention comes with admiration, and it also comes with jealousy. And ooh, so we could do it? Dumb. Can't talk, shh, because them talk rubbish, them get quiet up, shh, giant.
Girl, I say me clean like Clorox. Hodgy Bobby Johnson, now they fit me, call it throwback. Chat me 10, call me cool, sipping and cognac. Yeah, we don't but we no fool, K with the Kodak. Me we shot a man for two, pussy better know that.
Girl, I say we clean like Clorox, because when we go outside and we put on with beats, you see me, the Gucci, the Prada, the Louis Vuitton, and all these beats, girl knows so we're outside and we're clean, and we get a lot of compliments from the ladies. But what she really mean when she say we clean like Clorox, she means say, yo, we're outside and we're clean. Yes, we clean outside from the outward appearance, but we also clean inside, because we want the girl to clean like Clorox also. We want them to know say yo them clean outside, but we want them to clean inside. You don't want to go lay down with a girl and a girl can lay down with you, and next thing you know say yo you catch this and you catch that. No, you don't want a girl shot you, and you don't want to shot no girl. You see me? You want to make sure say yo your body clean inside and outside, and that we are dealing with. We clean like Clorox inside and outside. Wanna let me know if you don't want me to do more review and talk more about Kraff, you see me, because this is the first time of me mentioning Kraff on my channel for a while now, you see me. So just let me know in the comments if you make it to the end of this video. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.
The man himself. The man himself. The man himself. The man of the moment. That is. Boop, boop, boop. Smoke some up. You there? Yabba Dabba do.